Lush Stone is a captivating fragrance that opens with fresh and zesty citrus notes, such as lemon and bergamot, complemented by a spicy burst of pepper and cardamom. The heart reveals a rich floral bouquet with rose, jasmine, and lavender, enhanced by aromatic herbal hints of rosemary or sage and warm woodsy elements like cedarwood and sandalwood. The base notes provide a deep and enduring finish with warm umber, sensual musk, exotic oud, and earthy patchouli. This combination creates a sophisticated and multidimensional scent that is both invigorating and luxurious. Performance elements of Lush Stone. Longevity. This fragrance is known for its impressive longevity, often lasting throughout the day and into the evening. The deep base notes of umber, musk, and oud contribute to its enduring nature. Sillage. The sillage is moderate to strong, leaving a noticeable trail without being overwhelming. The sophisticated blend of spices, florals, and woods ensures that the scent is both present and captivating. Season. This fragrance is versatile but particularly suited for fall and winter due to its warm and rich base notes. The combination of spices and woods makes it an excellent choice for cooler weather. Occasion. This fragrance is ideal for both formal and casual occasion. Its complexity and luxurious nature make it suitable for special events, while its freshness and depth allow it to be worn in more relaxed settings as well. Type. The fragrance can be classified as woody oriental, with a blend of fresh citrus, spicy, floral, and warm base notes. Style. Sophisticated and luxurious, Lush Stone exudes elegance and refinement. It has a modern yet timeless quality, making it suitable for a range of settings and moods. Mood. The fragrance is invigorating and uplifting with its fresh and zesty top notes, while the warm and sensual base creates a comforting and sophisticated atmosphere. It is designed to evoke confidence and sophistication. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.